Jamaica could move to drill for oil off the coast of St. Thomas within the next 2 years, following encouraging early findings from a recent geo-chemical survey. But Energy Minister Daryl Vaz is urging caution following the announcement.
Any move to drilling would only take place after full environmental and social impact assessment, stakeholders' engagement, and relevant permits and cabinet approval. This is a careful step-by-step process. The ministry, together with United Oil and Gas, continues to take a disciplined and evidence-based approach, ensuring that any decisions taken are grounded in sound science and in the best interests of the country.
He adds that several companies interested in oil exploration have begun reaching out to United Oil and Gas following the findings.
The results are very positive, but they are positive scientifically because they have seen traces. They haven't seen or touched the real deal.
Minister Vaz was speaking at this week's post-cabinet press brief.